Hi all, praise be to God. Today, ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு பழைய பாட்டு, it's very good song. Yesuve ummaipolaaga vaanjikkuthae ennullam அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு song. It's in the C minor scale. Okay, C minor scale. Actually, it's C to C, uh, E flat, then A flat, then B flat. These are the three flats in this case. We can say three flat minor scale. Okay, so instead of A, you are playing A flat. Instead of B, you have B flat. Instead of E, then E flat. All are white keys, huh? But in this song, B note also coming, the natural B note. Okay, the natural B also coming. So the root goes like this: C, E flat. That's all. Okay, the beat goes like this: 1, 2, 3. It's waltz timing. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So that's how the both hand goes. Okay. So tabla beat போட்டுமே. இப்போ வந்து melody right hand melody இப்படி வந்து I'll show you. Okay. So before go to the right hand melody, if any one of you watching this without subscribing this video, can I request you to hit the subscribe button, please? Because it's mutual gain. You know, you are also gaining, I am also gaining. Okay, so it will be helpful for me to make it more videos. Um, all right. So thank you so much. God bless you. And you can like and you can comment also whatever the song you like. So the coming days I just plan to organize all the songs. Yeah. All right. So the right hand melody goes like Yesuve, this is a plain note. E flat G, vaanjikkuthae, ennullam, the E flat and A flat. Okay, vaanjikkuthae, N is ennullam. So if you play together, so paavamae, seyyaathu, that charanam. Okay, paavamae, seyyaathu, paavamariyaathu. See here there are some of the grace notes are coming. That means you have to touch the note for a while. You cannot play that like a main note, but you know it's like a grace note. Like you see. See? So here this is like a plain, okay, but la 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 la, high C and B flat. We are touching the high C and B flat. So high C is known as the grace note, okay. La la la. from the beginning, the charanam. Paavamae, seyyaathu, paavamariyaathu, paavamariyaathu. Okay. La, 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 la. This is the A flat, okay? Then it goes to G major accidental. La, 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 la. So here it's touching the B note. Okay, so the chord also B major, G major. The chord part I'll tell you. La, 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 la. So here we are using the B natural note, not the B flat note. Okay. G, E flat, B, C. Goes to the next octave. Yeah? High C, high E flat, high D, and all. Okay. Then pelamathai thaarumaiyaa. Pelamathai thaarumaiyaa. Okay. Pelamathai thaarumaiyaa. Yeah. Pelamathai thaarumaiyaa. Pelamathai thaarumaiyaa. Pelamathai thaarumaiyaa. It goes like this. All right. So it's very easy. It seems to be like like different notes, grace note or grace note. I told you to understand the the terms and all, how it comes, like how the original note comes. That is actually is totally optional. Okay, so if you don't want that that much like grace note and all, just you can play plain note. Okay, da, 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 E flat, E. Like this plain note also we can play, but no plain note for beginners it's okay, so as you are playing so many songs, you should know this now. You have to go a little up, like the next level of playing. We cannot be stag over there. Okay, so that's what I suggest you. Just try. When you try, then pray and try, then definitely God will give you knowledge. All right, so this is the right hand melody I told you. Now I'll tell you how the chords are associated with this one. Okay. La, 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 la. C minor with C minor with the high C note. Okay. La 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 la. E flat major, E flat major, E flat major. B flat major, B flat. Then G major. Then G minor ends with C minor. G minor, la la la. La la, E flat major. Then B flat major. G major, C minor. All right. So the next part goes like la 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 la, C minor, E flat, da 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 da. So C minor, E flat, B flat, B flat, B flat. La 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 la. C minor, again C minor. La, la, A flat major, A flat major. We can say G sharp major also, but not that's not technically it's wrong. G sharp major we cannot say, like A flat major, right? A flat major. La, la, la. Da, 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 da. Then E flat major only. Then C minor, E flat, B flat, C minor, A flat, no? A flat, da, 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 E flat, la. Then G major, again G major, then C minor, G major, G major, G major, C minor, then C minor, la 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 la, E flat major, B flat major, G major, C minor. It goes like that. All right. So the beat, no, it's like a tabla beat was there, like a 3/4. You can create also, it's very easy. Or you can, if you don't have tabla, it's okay, leave it, no problem. Ballroom, the group, walls is there. So walls also you can play. See now, I'll just show you this one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The tempo is around 139, 140. Like this much. Like suppose if you are doing the waltz, ballroom, ballroom English waltz is that. So you can reduce some of the sounds. Which one? No, you have to equalize. You have to equalize. There only no sounds good. So here you have to be careful. See, there is a place. No, this place is very dangerous. Like a hairpin bend in the hill station. No, there's we have to be like your notes. There is a chance to miss the notes over here. So see like this. Okay, it goes like this. So we can play in between, we can improvise, we can play in between, like so practice பண்ணீங்கன்னா தான் இது வரும் நல்லா. Okay, yeah, because there are some, it's a kind of tough song அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். I will not say this the tough means யாருமே ப்ளே பண்ண முடியாது, யாருமே பண்ண முடியாது. So we can say like a challenging song, we can say it is a challenging song. Challenging means like, yes, you have to put a little more effort, all right. So you have to spend some quality time with the instrument, okay, along with the video பார்த்து நிறைய தடவை பாருங்க, as much as possible. Then பாஸ் பண்ணி பாருங்க. எங்க டவுட் ஏதோ வருங்க. I am sure that you will play, like a maximum within 10 minutes. The learn notes learn பண்றதுக்கு at least 3 minutes to understand the chords and stuff. அப்படியே வாசிக்கிறப்போ 10 minutes 15 minutes அப்படியே வாசிக்கிறப்ப it will be தரவாயிரும். அப்புறம் நீங்க அப்படியே worship யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். So God's name will be glorified, so that God will give you more knowledge, all right. So as usual, I bless you all in the name of Jesus Christ. So do support me with your like, comment, share. So many of you are not on your notifications, so please on. So whenever I release the video, it comes straight away to you, all right. So take care, God bless you. See you on the next week. Bye.